This is for James over at Old School with a Modern Twist, and for Dan at Home in the Sticks. It's part of my mystery seed challenge. Anyway, I had the packet of mystery seeds that James and Brenda had sent, and I believe it came from James and Brenda over at Old School Modern Twist, and I believe they came from Dan at Home in the Sticks. And so I planted some, and this was one set. This is one, and I'm not sure what this one will grow, but we do have a bloom on. So it's not really getting very big. I don't know if it's where I have it, but anyhow, that was one of my mystery seeds. Gotta show you these too. These are called Summerifics, I believe. It's a form of a hibiscus plants. It's a beauty. That's a I did do this one earlier, and as you can see, this is the pear tree, or pears. I really thought it was an apple tree, but this year, oh no, they're looking more like pears this year than they were last year, but they're not quite as big. They still got about a month to go, but it's hanging full, as you can well see, and they're looking beautiful. So there's a nice one. Look at that. Yeah. So anyhow, here, I'll get a good shot from this side. There we go. Look at that. Now here is the mystery seed that James wanted to see, and I'm not sure. This is a pumpkin. This came out of the mystery seed, and there was another one that was back in here, and I'm not sure what happened to it. I think maybe because the deer have just feasted back here, as you can see. But that was one of my mystery seeds, and if nothing else, I'm going to get one. That's exciting. And I tried something a little different. My marigolds are coming in pretty good. They'll be blooming here. I should have got them in a little sooner. I was late. See, they're feasting on everything. These are my cucumbers, and they have done fantastic growing. And I tried something really different this year. I put them on my tomato cages, which I don't really like for tomatoes, and put them so it'd grow up. And there we go. Look at the dill pickle, or look at the dill pickle. That's what I'm talking about. Look at a cucumber right there. Let's go in there and get that baby. My tomato plants coming on. There's, see, I got a couple tomatoes. Nothing. They're a little slow. I don't know what the deal is this year, but this is my other one. This one, I forget what this one's called, but anyway, it's even slower. The other one's an early girl. So anyway, back over here to our cucumber. Go ahead and pick that bad boy. See it right there? But that was not a mystery seed. I actually planted that. There's some of my marigolds. This fence, I should have planted them outside the fence. Yep, the cucumbers have done pretty good. But anyway, this is for Old School with a Modern Twist, and for Dan at Home in the Sticks. I really enjoyed the mystery seed challenge, but like I think Old School with a Modern Twist said, a lot of mine didn't come out. But I really enjoyed seeing the ones that did. So, it's been a great day. I hope you all have had one too.